Madume, Sawubona, and hello. Welcome to The Vibe, the show for the youth, by the youth, to the youth. My name is Mega Too Much. Banzi bambari ningi. Ushemen my bambela matota. Today we located at Dixon Park, Vrydag, DJ Knockout Event Festival brought to you by Red Square. So today I'm gonna give you the experience of whatever that is happening here from the stores, General Patriots, DJs, Monatiko Fela, Laba Tubaja Famula, even the staff, Sakajun Setlabe Silti Monana, when you follow our social media platforms and get to be updated. Kadi 16, it's a December, day of reconciliation. I hope we reconcile here. Kuningi wena man. Yo, like I said, man, get over experience and to say welcome back to The Vibe, the show that is for the youth, by the youth, to the youth. No, like I said, the interview from the stalls, the first stall of the day. King, tuck in,
buy and buy.
Tuck in,
buy and buy.
Buy and buy.
Yes.
Little
C, Mutsepe, yes.
Alright, so you are a Val resident?
No, I'm not.
What's okay?
Soweto, Protea Clan.
So you drove from Soweto to come here for this event?
Every year.
Every year
for
here?
Yes, I'm here.
Wow,
every year I'm here.
So rekisang haye mona na re thola eng?
Mona otola your plate, that will be your pap with a meat, that will be your beef or pork with your gravy and salad for 80 rand.
Wow.
Yeah. And your quarter chicken with your pap and salad. For 80 rand. And your Vors roll with your toppings you choose from your pineapple, your caramelized onions, your salsa. It goes with chips for 50 rand.
Wow.
Then your Russian and chips with roll also for 50 rand. Yeah. And your wrap with chips and ribs, wrap chips with wings. Yeah. That's what I'm selling.
So beside this event, but ba khona ho founela mhlomong o tle di eventeng tsa bona come and stall o rekise dijo.
Yes, mostly ke attend the event as Val. Like honestly, I get a lot of support from Val.
Okay.
All the events like Jake's 10, yes. I do attend Belgravia, I'm here. Everton, I'm here. Mostly ke mo Val.
So ha re batla o thola he mhlomong ba batla o thola ba o founele if banale event o thola kae?
There you go. Type in buy and buy. I have a Gmail. Okay. And my number there on WhatsApp. I'm also on Facebook and I'm also on TikTok.
Yeah.
That's where I am.
Okay, today is Day of Reconciliation, 16th of December. So, o ka reng ha o kgothatsa motjha fela ka the Day of Reconciliation? I
will say, like, things are not like as, you know, as the 70s. Like, for now, there's a lot of things happening to youth, right? There's drugs, there's murder, there's all I wish for them is that, you know, I'm not saying take from us because you youth, you're saying we're old school, born before technology. Yes, we born before technology, but there are some things that you can pick from us. You understand? And then
yes,
like listening to your parents.
Yes.
I mean, they are there for you.
Yes.
They are there to mold you, guide you. You understand?
Yes.
Because when you give a birth to a girl child, you want them to look like you.
Yes.
Boy child like the father. So we're not saying, guys, live stereotype, you follow us, whatever that we used to do, you can do it. No, all we're saying is, listen, I know but it's tsela khopo ke Motswana tsela khopo e tsibuwa ke ba pele, right?
Tsela e botswa ho ba pele ka Sesotho.
Thank you. When I guide to go tsamaisa go tseleng e right, ke batla o be right because youth they don't understand, guys. We worry a lot. Ka bona. We are not here to bully you. We just want you to be right to my life. You know, once only well established, only right. I'm out. That's all we say. Listen to your parents. They are here to guide you, to mold you, to become better people in life. That's all. It's easy. Just listen. That's all we want from you guys.
Like I say, I'm gonna give you the experience, store to store, patrons, interviews, and some of the stuff. Balemona DJ Knockout Festival. We're here. Thank you.
Thank you. Don't forget to come, sir.
Another one, like I said, stall to stall, patrol to patrol, staff to staff, even the experience to go for your necklace. Right now, I'm on the next stall. So what is the name of the store?
My name of my store is Simply Blessed Catering.
Simply Blessed Catering.
It's okay, Ekurhuleni Springs.
So you drove from Ekurhuleni to Val?
Why not?
Wow. So you always stall here?
Yes, every year.
How's the business?
The business is good. It's been good, especially with always.
So this is the only event you
I've been doing Val Farmers Market. I've done beauty. I've done Belgravia 2 days ago. Yeah, and then I've done Ultramog on the 13th. Yes, I'm always around.
Alright, so what do we have on the stall now?
So we have burger meals. We have rib and beef. That's the two variety that we have for today. That's the taco meal and wings, and then we have Vorsrol. Yeah.
Zona fair.
Zona Fella.
The prices?
So for the burgers, we have 80 and 90 rand. For the taco meal, because it goes with the wings, it's about 150 rand. And Vorsrols for the basic one is about 50 rand. Yeah.
So you're living out of this twin.
In.
You're not fair.
Yes. Why not, guys? We need to move and transition from entrepreneurship.
Nah.
Yeah.
Alright, since early day of reconciliation is 16th of December, what can you say home about this day?
So, different backgrounds, different people. Let's value each other and value our differences. That's all.
And it's a rap way we look at fela. Like I said, from stalls to stall, patriot to patriot, it's a reality. Make it too much.
Bye.
A show for the youth, by the youth, to the youth, to get about Mkhoti and then to tell Mega too much. Right now, so we inside, we have the general patrons, I see, Libito Kimang.
Kim Pasibi for Orange Farm, Extension 9 kilometers.
Oh, the possible right to my meeting and one of the yesterday. So, what money and I like Mr. Jobs for me. What money on Mr. Jobs? Yeah, with Orange Farm, obvious. So, before to replace because you know, and literally, no see that I mean. Now, I make it up the Kinsaka Santa Kilo scale. Making say that I question. So, what the Lewis is I mean.
Nankaso from September September kimokia mara yona neplena ka from January
Sure.
mo kimokia September kana dintho bona betsa turkey ya latela biri ntse khothala jwala ntse ke reka ntse ke ya Nasheba ke nka fast mo khlapa ke re bona
Kiara. So wa kala ho tla
Like if it's my first time ke tla mo Dixie so
Sure.
ka fitla ke itinka ska khola ka bona ga fitlile mo
Yeah. So when I got money, what color would I yeah, you like a color for my first experience. So we don't come now, yeah. So on the lineup, ushebile ma. Ke performance among was set among what I'm with. That is a good man. That is for what was something. Kilisheza, utlare mar, sure. Mr. So ke na fela e mo le tsena wena o tsetse ma
ta na batho ba maka ka ba tsebe ka mabitso tseba sela track go bona
Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise intana tsa ka teng ya musician tsona tse nkenyang go mpa se sia ya yo ba mamela live. E tlo ba bona live.
No, but not utlwa monate, le nna ke utlwa monate. The vibe. Make sure that you utlwa monate on our channels, on our social media platforms. Massive Nation Official and Global Youth Radio. Ila. The vibe. Show for the youth, by the youth, to the youth. Ntse go fa jalo ka dijo. I love food so much. Ke rata dijo ka mokgwa tsela makatsang. Ebile nka go kgothatsa gore hohle mo ka bangwe ya teng. A o fitla before o nwa ngwaneso. You must eat. So when I want to give the chef my chef, I want to work rattan dijo ka teng. Aye. What is the name of your chef?
Chef Furo Rose. I'm from Midrand.
Midrand. So you drove all the way from Midrand to here?
Yes. I'm mobile. I move even from here to Mpumalanga, even Durban, everywhere. I'm mobile. So I can move from one place to another during the events. I specialize only with big events.
Yeah, festivals.
Yeah, festivals.
So you come here yearly?
Yearly, I'm here. Even monthly when we was Val Farmers Market, I'm also here.
Wow. So what do you have on the stores? What is the name of your business first? And then what do you
The
have?
name of my business is Masala La Delicious, which is delicious.
Delicious.
It also tastes good.
Yes.
It smells good. Yes. So we have what you see here in the menu.
Okay.
We also have a pepper stick first.
All right.
And then we also have a rib burger with chips. We also have wings and chips. Varsola with chips. Cheese grilla with chips. We also have ribs, belly ribs with chips. We also have a beef burger with chips. And then also pap with chicken. So it's what we have. So we also have a combos that we go with the platters. And then we everything goes with starch, which is chips or pap. Yes.
So the prices are the busy haholo bana jwale re tlatsitse di cooler box re beile
No. Are tira reasonable haholo. Papa ka steak ke 100 rand. Yes.
jwale ka jone ke di 16 tsa December ba re ke day of reconciliation. So o ka re go ba tšha ka letsatsi le ngana ka jone.
Ke re ba tšha ka letsatsi le iketleng ka lona, and then le ska ba letsatsi le gore le mona for the crutches or re tlo shapana re tlo tsa ke letsatsi la gore moya wa Jesu o bereke mo lona le kopane go be mnati, and then o mongwe if o taile o mongwe a kuku o mongwe o mongwe kukele o mongwe cooler bags ese re bone ko Mpumalanga kwa ko 012 event 013 event o mongwe kukile o mongwe mo dimo ya ba re ke Hector Peterson of today. So re kopela gore le tshwarane le ska la tlhana mo cause ka usane mo ra bona ka bo 7 mona o tla o mongwe sa tsebe o mongwe so kopa le tlhokomelaneng.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Kanti ke se mo nge utlwila what to delicious. I'm going to give you the delicious content throughout the night. Danko.
So I love food so much so ke tla over to that care ke ba thola protein na mara I don't know but then I have a mara with mama ke mangabitso mama ke sana marogane.
Yes, the name of the business.
The name of the business is Youth Platters. Youth Platters.
So mama tsa rata bodulo.
Yeah,
Oh, wa wena ha o finyana mona because it's a good batho ba ba beng a ke tlo ja mo
and di fetola haholo
a e hle ka nnete ke bona ho fekile ke tlo ja monana ke tla etsa le bonnete ba go fela ba tseba go tlo jwale o tala ho go on this event ka mo ka ntse ka se
ke kala ho tla se la habedi ke be ke le teng ka tsatsi la Saturday ke le teng le hona ke kala so hona jwale ke le teng la ho tala hore ke tle for this event
mara business ena na se ya go fela ke di event fela le nna ke batla go founela ke na le event ka kgona go
re sebetse re sebetsa ka di-plata re sebetsa ka ntho ka kitchen le hae di company le tsona re sebetsa ka tsona kore dijo ke ntho tse re nang le tsona ene le mo kenyetsong teng ke batho ba business so ntho e mading e kene le bana ba ke sebetsa le bana ba ka fela
ya ba o khomela ke mafura ntle ke tsa family
re tla tseke re sebetsa ka mafura
right ka nnete mme wa jwale hene ke batla go tseba fela gore ha ba batla go thola mohlomong ba ka o thola kae
ba ka nthola me to 073 597 0000
ke kopa di pheta hape
073 597 0000
se re utlwile re mothola kae ha o batla dipapa diplata tse serase okay ba ise ba batla hampe ka monana ba qhongela ke mafura a scambane mafura di rashene diplata jwalo so like I said ke rata dijo from stall to stall patriot to patriot ntse ke le teng mega too much
The vibe, the show for the youth, by the youth, to the youth, mega too much again. We back. You take it all the show. After the show, we are to the patriots, general patriots and stuff. Right now, you know, the artist, Ed William Batuan, the Morgan himself. This is my home, man. It's not a sort of money. Over to it. It's happening now. Or than Troya. So hot money. When or orange star. Okay, so how about the Tola? Sure, only I. Several numbers, WhatsApp, okay, the bank island. Wow, oh man, oh come on. So yeah, it's very cool my experience. That's the joke. I'm gonna to
a show for the youth, by the youth, to the youth, the vibe with mega too much. Like I told you, Mshana, ke tlo qala dijong, buko batho ba tshakileng le batho ba leng khale ba le mona re se re buile le veterane jwale ke tlo bua le ausi ona jwale ausi ke mang ka lebitso hi
ke Tshepang ka lebitso
Tshepang o tswa ko kae
ko Kanana Park
Kanana e vale mo
no Grasmere Joburg South
so you drove all the way
yeah yes
and I ke utlwa o complain ka bo dipula tsa last year ka mantswe mang wena o regular
and ke ona this year or at least shelter
makinyana you know
yes shelter is too much compared to last year
ke kopa ko share your experience ya the previous events tse sa lo tla o tsona monana ya monana hore ho no le jwang and hona jwale o expectile
you know what I love about this event yeah Red Knockout it's the safest safest event hauna stress koloi maponisa ma green beans traffic it's the safest and yeah ke batla I'm here for Zingumalo I'm here for Mahu yeah
so also petile bona ba no sharp
yeah ke sharp ka bao
then you drive back to
no until ke tata mauseng ke vaya frugo in the morning
ke tlo sa ka mona
yes until We're
Jwale-
waiting for the rain.
ka jeno ke di 16 tsa December ba re ke day of reconciliation letsatsi la kopano, so o ka rata ho reng ho batjha be le go mohlomong ga ba tsebe ka letsatsi lena kapa ba tseba ha o ba kgothatsa fela?
We learn as a youth. We learn. We were not there, but the Google and everything, the event is so they teach us about such things. So if you guys don't know anything about the Red Square Knockout, you must come and see for yourself, guys. It's nice. It's Ayoba. Yeah.
E re di utlwile tsene ba re it's nice, it's Ayoba, bomme ba phehang bona ba re it's delicious. Bona jwale nna ke tla kgutla ke utlwe gore di nice and Ayoba ntse di itla jwale. Mega too much on the vibe as born.
Okay, excuse me, sa kundinge ba. I went to do
Are Coco, I can mega too much, Usaki mega too much. Dixon Park, relocated. Red Square it presents you DJ knockout. Kikopano Hotman, or a regular Hotman, mega too much. Kabakama Jolly Sigil Tiputo, Gibonaka, but what Tiputo, Tarazaka. Kikopan in Tatona Jolly representing the Red Square. Papa Kima.
Bitolaga Kena Jobo, Joseph Lahana, Kitula Zone 7, High Sally, Skeleme, High Sally, Kina Limote Shaman take attender from Boyuma Sigela, Bobrenda Fast. How to just by the river, never Buakaro.
Yes, Papa.
Can me to Soka who can about the Red Square is a link. It is a link, Blakely, Bullebuti like.
So, now, like, you are a legend, Tiamo.
Legend, Tiamona, always. Kikamile, everything happening here is supposed to be here.
So, Papa, no, Sebetaka in Sebetalman, the professional Papa.
Welcome, Sebetsi Nugget, who clean as Canos and Tubarinki Sigura Gaman.
Okay.
Now, go and Zama Pili before we had to be into. Temptation Tiani, we nearly threats a fellow Runo Shiwa. Or to be Rimaru. I did work for my child for tomorrow's nation.
You are a Kajiki 16th December, but day of reconciliation. Kiltatila Copan. Yana Kari, Jalokam Tamu Ruban, who to Tila, a butcher of appeal, Ukari, Jalokam Tamu Rubacha, Katsatila Gaji.
Let's Atila Gajaniki from Pehang, Hanseko Hopulana Gunya apartheid, Uno Hezala E. So African Tate Mandela regulates Atila Chorelan. So we supposed to respect each other. From Paneng, Papa Ebesiko, Rukwaneng, Otebe Amunyani, Le Amu. Amunyani, Akamile, Nakirute Amunyano, Retsela, it's a Mayazo.
Yeah.
Who can't Huna.
So what's about the artistic films that are well about the performance? Yama.
And that Okinalum Mumbai Rimaru.
You must see. You own Badira. Badira.
Rimaru. Mona Gipeti Monanta, Mona Morican in Temu. Moricani. Unoni playing. Kamkala Herkala Maspala Waru.
Okay.
Kaukeda Ho. Uno cannot feel free.
We're now veteran, Papa veteran, Jana veteran, Dixon Park veteran. We see Clemenana before DJ knockout, Kabodi just by the river, Nakonzal, Nerosoka Relatum, Homo, Marayaka Galakita Lapuelan, Harry Hutan reconcile, Jaloka Gichulo, never too much. We still here. Mohoti, Waka, a show for the youth, by the youth, to the youth. If the vibe mega too much, like I said, Kikokala Batwari somebody papa, Kikuko Batwari killing the ticket, or whenever you could have Marawanajal, Kibuti back to buy a show, or Reboniki, the car, reading about it, interested in the hall and stuff. Kemila Abutikima.
Yeah, Abutikil Sonolo, Bible, Abuti, Oto's booking, Abuja, Kanan.
Kanana, yes,
so I will take a party about ranking. We keep the place clean.
Okay, sure.
Show who round up my bottle, Lobo Martini, everything is safe. Chorus cowboy, na fela.
Sure. Yeah.
We need to do it.
So
can knock out down here.
So Wakala also better company film with those and two gap whenever you say it's a freelance.
Uchoro Holali Ishmael pre-event cleaning.
Okay. Ishmael pre-event clinic.
Sure.
What's that color? The companies are the event, the pre-event, what.
Yeah, I think Uchoro Shapa pre-event, during event,
and after event. So running over clean. So Wakala Hospana Higa Jenu Kapal durante
even the previous event Belgravie,
yes,
still here doing the very same thing.
Sure.
Skaubona ka jeno ntso le clean le after event yana pele nentse le rona doing the very same thing.
Ba sa rata sponsor wa mara jana
nna ke khotsofetse.
A bohloko ne?
As long fela o le clean ya rata nna customer.
So o ka re nka letsatsi la ka jeno hopola ke di 16 tsa December batho ba dipolitiki ba re ke day of reconciliation letsatsi la kopano wa understand. So wena o ka re nka letsatsi la ka jeno tjenana maybe ha o hlokala go advise mo child home
kopano ke matla.
Shit. Kopano ke matla jalo ka re to kopana yi fanda ne
fela as long fela o treat o mong the way o tlo batlang ba o treat ka teng.
Yeah.
Re mnati.
a ke a se bonke ne tshwere Khotmane ke bona ba etsa sure go clean pre-event, during the event and after the event. But not during the event, I'll still give you the content. Mokgotsi.
Make sure that you follow us on Facebook. It's Massive Nation Real Time and Massive Nation Official on all social media platforms. Massive. #Massive Nation Real Time.